For a country like ours, inclusive growth is very important agenda, and you may expect a question in any form. It may be an objective, and more importantly, it can be a descriptive question. What is happening on the inclusive growth? By now you must have understood that there is no definite answer whether we are successful or not, but we must know सरकार कर क्या रही है inclusive growth के लिए. Especially government schemes are very important from any exam perspective. This is in the economic survey, inclusive growth. And what is this shift here? Shift from an input-based approach to outcome-based empowerment. Important scheme mentioned are PM Ujjwala, free gas connection, building toilets under Swachh Bharat Mission, opening bank account under Jan Dhan Yojana, building Pakka houses under PM Awas. These things have improved the capabilities and enhanced opportunities for the unprivileged sections. These are the words you shall note. No person left behind. And then programs, aspirational district program launched in 2018 for the most backward regions of the country. Viksit Bharat Sankalp Yatra, which is very recent one. Even today also I read about Viksit Bharat vision of 2047 in newspaper. You can see here Swachh Bharat Mission, 11.7 crore beneficiaries. Same is Jal Jeevan Mission, water tap in every house. And 10 crore beneficiaries under PM Ujjwala, gas connections, 6.9 under Ayushman Bharat, hospital admissions, and PM Awas, 2.6 crore families getting house in this. The impact is that labor force participation is increasing post-pandemic, and also female labor force participation has been growing in last 6 years. When we are talking about inclusive growth, gender participation is very important, and India is lagging behind overall, but there is a growth, there is an optimism. Rural-urban inequality has declined. Population which is multi-dimensionally poor, that is also declined, has come to 11% here from 25% in 2015-16. In our country, we can't talk about growth just as a GDP number, because if the benefits of growth are not reaching to the last person in the society, it is not reaching to the disadvantaged group, it is not reaching to the other gender, it is not really a development. So we must touch this aspect, and very important for the exam point of view, especially in the descriptive part. Do you find it is useful? Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we are here to make your job preparation 50% faster.